This is OPPO Reno12 FS, and today I will share a few useful camera tips and tricks on this device. So in the beginning, let's explore available camera presets or camera modes. Starting with the Pro mode, as you can clearly see, it allows you to manually adjust the camera parameters such as ISO value, shutter speed, exposure, focus distance, and white balance. So if you are not satisfied with how those parameters are being treated and set automatically, or perhaps you would like to get a particular shot of something, like you would like to, for example, make the image more colder by reducing the white balance, or just do anything else quite literally, the Pro mode is definitely a way to go. Then if you'll go into the More section of camera, you'll find the High Res mode. So let's go ahead and take a picture using the High Res mode, and then I'll take the identical photo in the regular photo mode. Now we will go ahead and compare those two images. So this one is the regular photo mode. That's the furthest I can zoom in, and well, the zoom in is pretty decent here. Then if we'll open the details, you'll see that the resolution or the dimensions of this photo are 3 by 4K. And when it comes to the high res mode, not only I can zoom in way further, it also retains way more small, tiny details. And while the resolution, the answer to the question why is that is resolution. So if we will open the details for this photo now, you'll see that the dimensions are 6 by 8K, so there is way more details preserved. Does it say what lens it used, like how many megapixels? It does not, as far as I can see. So moving on, let's return to the camera and open the More section of modes. Another interesting mode you have here is macro mode, and well, the name of this mode is pretty self-explanatory. It is the preset that is best tailored towards taking the macro photos. So it says that photograph from 4 centimeters away for the best results, but the regular range or the regular distance suggested or recommended distance for macro photos is anywhere between 3 and 5 centimeters. So make sure to hold this distance, take a photo, and here is your macro mode in all its glory. Now let's also see or have a look at the camera settings and what we can do there. So you can enable the QR code scanning option. So once active, it will automatically detect and process QR codes. So you will not have a need to use third-party QR code scanners or perhaps Google Lens. Also, just open your regular default camera app and it will do the rest when it comes to QR code scanning. Then you can also change the volume button action between volume change, shutter, or zoom. So once it's set to zoom, I think, in my opinion, that is the most convenient feature. You can zoom in by pressing or holding the volume up key and zoom out by using the volume down button respectively. And the final small tip that I have for you that you may have missed while using the camera of this phone is that you can very conveniently and effectively adjust and change the exposure inside the viewfinder. So tap anywhere at the screen once and then move this sun icon to the bottom if you would like to reduce the exposure, and all the way upwards if you would like to increase it. And this way you are regulating the brightness of your shot. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.